Welcome to my humble abode. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhoda and welcome to my living room tour. Yeah, so it has taken me like 5 months to do this space from where we moved in Ikikua until now, and I can say I'm really excited and happy to see the progress, and I just love it. Yeah, so when you get in from the door, there's our entryway, and I've just put some things together to make it more personal, and like a basket for storage for my DIY tools, throw pillow just to decorate it, and of course a plant, because I love plants. Like you can see everywhere there's lots of plants. Yeah, so just I've stuck some books over here to give my candle some height and just for balancing out this space, and just catch on for everything that's in my pocket when I come in and I don't want to clutter this space. So this is where that goes. Now, and over here we have this seat. This seat was thrifted. I got it from an auction place, a second-hand place, and I love how it has brought this place together. So now initially I wanted a different kind of seat, but I decided to go with this one because I just love how it looks. It will never go out of trend, and I just placed these thrifted throw pillows on it. The whole of this setup was quite easy to achieve. So this seat is a 5-seater. I have this 2-seater and the 3-seater over there. All the throw pillows are thrifted, the throw covers are thrifted, and I love it because it personalizes my space, and it's easier to clean because of the space below. It doesn't make my space look crowded. Yeah, so, and if you want to, you can change the color, but I wanted it to remain black. And the best thing about this seat is it's all weathered, and you can use it for both indoors and outdoors. Yeah.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just.
So another thing you'll notice is the throw pillows on this side and that side don't match. It's because I wanted to mix and match. You can see there are different colors for all the throw pillows, but I have these floral ones to this size together, and the tassels on these ones to balance these colors together. You can see these ones, and the blankets to finish off that space. The cushions I got from Decor. So the cushions on these ones, I got 3 for this side and 2 for that side. I got them merged together, and the cover was 430 for a meter, and I went with the emerald green because I love emerald green. Over to this side, this is my accent wall, and I had to paint it my favorite color, which is mustard. Yeah, so I put up this shelf just to make it more lively and all that decor. And here we have more plants. You can see plants all over. So over here there's nothing more to show, just TV, the TV stand, some storage down there, and more plants. So over to this side we have the table here. This is a runner that I thrifted from Think Twice, and a DIY tray, more plants, and this is a DIY floral decor, like Mawaya Mahindi, the head that, yeah, that one. So I dried it and just put it in this vase as a floral decor. And over to this side, we have the reading nook. I use it as a reading nook, but if you prefer, you can use it as a dining area space. But I prefer it as a reading nook. And there's nothing much, just a rug, this twig chair, storage for my son's toys, and some storage over there as well. This wonderful vase with my DIY dried florals and DIY shelves. There's nothing much to this space, but it's not all complete. I'll still do some shelves over here, running this way all over with books and more plants. So this is a DIY I made from straws and just a cardboard. I did a video for this. If you're interested, you can check it. I'll link it down below in the in the description box. Yeah, so you can check it out. And more plants. One thing I love about this space, like the most, is the amount of natural lighting that it brings. And I love it because I get to keep my plants inside the house, because with the sun right now, they're not doing well outside. Yeah, so we get sunrise every morning. So after the entryway and the seat, we come here. This is a DIY, by the way. I'll link it down in the description box. I did a video for this also, and I love it. I made it to match that one so that it can create a flow. And yeah, so we have this one. This one also, I did it, one of my first ever DIYs on my channel. I'll link it down below in the description box as well. You can check that out as well. So over to the last part is my DIY wooden slat wall. I love this. I love how much character it brought to my space. It was a very easy DIY because it was just staining the wood, attaching it to the wall. As easy as that. So that's it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love thrifting, DIYs, plants, and everything nice, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. And next time I'll show you other rooms, but this is the room that I've worked on the most, and it's the room that I showed today. So see you on the next one.